Hey Xavier, how's it going? I have just finished work. I'm in an odd situation vis-a-vis my job, in that I was sort of fired out of the blue a month after starting, and then almost immediately rehired on a part-time basis to work actually just round the corner from where I was last employed. So I guess I'll try to write more about that, but I'm in a pleasant situation at the moment of being let off my temporary part-time thing at 4 in the afternoon, which means I can cycle home in a reasonable time of day, get home not to be exhausted, etc. So I'm currently on Waterloo Bridge, taking a video like a tourist, and I'll give you a very quick tour of the sights. So looking south from here is down to Elephant and Castle, where I am currently working. It was meant to be for a couple of days, but it seems to be for a couple of weeks for now. Immediately ahead of us we see that round building, which is the IMAX cinema. Here we have the Hayward Gallery, which they do modern art sort of shit. Actually, the Tate is somewhere near here. Then you have a building, and behind that the Shard, a tall pointed thing, which I believe is the tallest building in London. Then you have a couple of skyscrapers, one of which was famous a few years ago for being badly built and unfortunately reflecting light straight down onto the cars parked below, like a giant fire starting mirror contraption, and causing a lot of cars to melt, something like that. You have the Oxo Tower, which has been there for a long time. Then you have the Thames. I think that's Blackfriars Bridge, but you can see that bus going over. I'm not sure exactly what these boats are. Then you have St. Paul's Cathedral, which you can see from near my house. I have various buildings whose names I have temporarily forgotten. You have some, I think that is the Hayward Gallery, which you'll notice has the obligatory blue and yellow flag, because everyone's supporting Ukraine at the moment, and it's you have to have the flag up, otherwise you are kicked out of society. I believe that's the MI5 building with a clock on it. Could be wrong about that. And this is the Thames. That's Cleopatra's Needle at the end of that boat, around 2,000 years old. Apparently there were 3 of them that were looted from Egypt at some point. There was one which was set up here. You can see the 2 little sphinxes to each side of it. There was one that was sent to Paris, and there was one that was meant to be sent to New York, but which sank in the middle of the Atlantic at some point, as far as I know. Oh, you have a little school trip going on. That's pretty cool. Or they might be cadets or something. That bridge, it's just a railway bridge. Behind it you can see the Houses of Parliament, Big Ben, the London Eye, Royal Festival Hall. That's the South Bank that you can see people walking up and down. There used to be a skating rink near there, but I think they got rid of it. And this is the Thames. You have the police in their launch, the river police. Here a helicopter somewhere overhead. Yeah, what else? So that's heading north. I head up past, what is it, the Strand, and just head basically all the way up past Regent's Park to get to my place. Other than that, not an enormous amount to say. Trying to think of something interesting to say. There's a plane. And somewhere is a helicopter, which I can hear, but which I cannot see.